Hi guys, this is your second lecture on 2.3 dealing with decimal equations. When you have a decimal in equation, it's just like any other number. We still want to take this equation and solve it for x just like the others. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides because I'm going to need to move the 4 to the other side. So 0.3x equals 15, and then divide both sides by 0.3. So x would equal 50. And you'd be done. Okay? Now in this, you see that both terms on the left-hand side have a p. There's not a number in front of this first p, but it's an understood 1. So 1 plus 0.08 is 1.08p. Divide both sides by 1.08. Which cancels on the left. And you get p equals 120. Okay, now look at this equation for a minute. The first thing we have to do is notice that right here we have a number outside a parenthesis. So the first thing we have to do is distribute that number. Okay, so 0.05x and distributing my 0.08. 0.08 times 10,000 would be 800, minus 0.08 times x is 0.08x equals 680. Both of these have an x in them, so I can combine them. 0.05 minus 0.08 is negative 0.03x. I still have my 800. Subtract your 800 from both sides. Negative 0.03x equals negative 120. Divide by that negative 0.03 to get x equals, let's see, 4,000, I think. Let me double check here. Yes, 4,000. All right. And that's the end of your lecture with decimal equations.